When it comes to home improvement, few projects can offer as much value and impact as a door replacement. Whether you're upgrading for aesthetics, security, or energy efficiency, replacing your doors can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal, functionality, and overall comfort. If you're in Brandon, choosing local door replacement experts for the job is one of the smartest decisions you can make. Here's why. Personalized service tailored to your needs is one of the primary benefits of hiring local experts in Brandon is the level of personalized service they can provide. Unlike large, impersonal chains or out-of-town contractors, local door replacement specialists are invested in your satisfaction. They take the time to understand your needs, preferences, and the specific challenges your home may present. Whether you're seeking a modern, sleek entry door, a secure storm door, or a classic sliding patio door, local experts work with you to choose the best materials and styles that suit your home's aesthetic. Local businesses often have smaller client rosters, which allows them to focus on the details and offer bespoke recommendations for your space. Their understanding of the area's architectural styles, climate conditions, and common design preferences means they can suggest solutions that align perfectly with your home and the region's needs. Faster response and shorter lead time. Working with a local door replacement expert in Brandon comes with the benefit of faster response times. When you contact a local business, you're likely to get a prompt reply and a swift assessment of your project. This efficiency is especially important if you have an urgent need for door replacement, whether it's due to a damaged entryway, a broken lock, or simply the need to upgrade for safety reasons. Additionally, since local professionals typically source their materials from nearby suppliers, they can get your replacement doors delivered quicker than larger companies that may rely on suppliers from out of town. This means less waiting for the materials to arrive and faster completion of your project. Supporting the local economy. By choosing local door replacement experts in Brandon, you're supporting the local economy. Local businesses depend on your patronage to thrive, and in return, you benefit from their commitment to quality service. The money you spend stays within the community, helping to create jobs, promote local growth, and sustain small businesses. It's a win-win situation where you get expert service and the community flourishes. Local door replacement professionals also tend to prioritize their reputation because they operate within a tight-knit community. This translates into a higher level of care and attention to detail, as their business depends on word-of-mouth referrals from satisfied customers. This gives you peace of mind knowing you're likely to receive top-notch service and craftsmanship. Expert knowledge of local climate and regulation. In addition to their personalized service, local door experts in Brandon are familiar with the area's specific weather patterns and building codes. They understand how local conditions, such as humidity, high winds, or seasonal temperature fluctuations, affect the performance of doors and windows. This knowledge allows them to recommend the most durable, energy-efficient, and weather-resistant options for your home. Brandon has its unique set of building regulations and codes that must be adhered to when making home improvements. Local experts are well well-versed in these rules, ensuring that your door replacement meets all necessary standards and is fully compliant. This not only saves you from potential headaches down the road but also ensures that your investment is protected. A focus on long-term relationships. When you hire a local expert for your door replacement project, you're not just hiring someone to do a job. You're building a long-term relationship with a trusted professional who can help with future needs. Whether you need maintenance, repairs, or additional installations down the line, you'll have a reliable local expert you can turn to. Moreover, local companies often offer warranties and post-installation support that give you added peace of mind. They are much more likely to honor their work in return if issues arise because their reputation in the community is crucial for continued success. Competitive pricing without sacrificing quality. Choosing local door replacement experts can often mean more competitive pricing. Local businesses do not have the overhead costs associated with large corporate entities, allowing them to offer better rates on materials and labor. Since they are invested in providing great value to the community, local experts aim to keep their prices fair while delivering superior workmanship. Additionally, when you work with local professionals, you're more likely to receive transparent, no-surprise pricing. They understand the importance of maintaining trust and communication throughout the project, and their pricing reflects their commitment to offering honest, upfront estimates. Conclusion. When it's time to replace the doors in your home, choosing local experts in Brandon makes good sense. From personalized service and quicker response times to supporting your local economy and benefiting from expert knowledge, the advantages of working with a trusted local business are clear. Not only will you receive high-quality, tailored solutions, but you'll also foster a long-term relationship with professionals who are committed to the community and your home's ongoing improvement. So, for your next door replacement project, consider reaching out to a local expert. You won't regret it.